In this video I want to show you the right hand only chipping drill. This is a really great drill for people that get a little bit tense over the ball when they're chipping, too tight in their grip. Basically we're going to take one of the hands out of the equation and we're just going to use our right hand only. We're basically going to make a few swings feeling the hinging and holding style method. So we're going to hinge your wrist just ever so slightly, rehinge into the grass, and then the continuation is to then hold it. So we don't want this feeling where we're going past like this. This is one of the most common things we see in chipping, is people rehinging under the ball. We want to have hinge, hit, hold. So we're just going to do that with our right hand and just feel the heaviness of the club. There's no white knuckles, there's no blood in the fingers, it's all very gentle, it's all very heavy, letting the heaviness fall into the back of the ball. And you can stand here with quite a few balls in front of you. Don't stress too much on the outcome with the target. You might even do this completely away from target so that there's no element of, oh, that was good or that wasn't any good. We just want to feel contact on ball. We want to feel the bat on ball, so to speak. So we're going to go ahead and hit one of these here. Right hand only, nice and gentle. Hinge and hold. There we go. I've nearly held it just using the right hand. So hinge and hold. And just feel that heaviness. Then when you feel like you're ready, throw your left hand back on and just hit a few chips feeling the same thing. It'll give you a really nice trusting feel in your hands. It'll help you to sense the heaviness of the club, and it will definitely improve your chipping and certainly will improve your contact. So I hope that helps with your confidence in chipping.